Game failing to initialize because of the DirectX 10 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's sync your multimedia environment and get you back to gaming.
I recommend the automated system scan for DirectX 10 to finish your setup in seconds. This is the DirectX 10 Update 27, a legacy DirectX 10 helper library. It manages unmanaged graphics rendering manifests for multimedia software utilizing the June 2007 DirectX data link.
With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files.
DirectX 27 is often associated with game graphics and audio processing. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore legacy DirectX files, and update your GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support.
In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state.
Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the DirectX 10 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting.
If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. If you still see the error after restarting, then your DirectX environment needs a manual update and you must use the DirectX June 2010 redistributable to fill in the missing library gaps. This tool is designed to restore compatibility for older graphics APIs that are no longer supported by standard Windows update cycles. Why are we doing this? Well, corrupted graphics metadata often prevents the OS from loading older library versions, and this manual setup forces a clean deployment of the required binaries. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity.
Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for DirectX 10 DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates.
Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment.
If background initialization issues occur, the link in the description provides maintenance information related to DirectX 10. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing DirectX 10 from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.